let me tell you about this product right here. This is the Orico, what is it again? MH4PU. It is a 4-port clip USB hub. And what's so special about it? Well, you're about to find it here. By looking at the packaging itself, this seems like a usual USB hub, but once again, this is actually a clip. So how this thing works is very unique. Firstly, let us unbox it. It's a fairly simple packaging. You have the hub itself at the top right here, wrapped in plastic of course. It is made out of, what is it again? Strong aluminum alloy metal. So as you can see here, you have a screw which you can adjust the width of it. So again, this is a clip, so you can screw it into anything you like, which we will demonstrate for you later. And at the back here, we have a single USB-A port. This is for you to connect to your PC to this thing. And at the front here, you have 4 more USB Type-A ports as your hub. So put that aside for now. Orico also included a fairly lengthy USB Type-A port, A to A. As listed on the packaging itself, this is only 1 meter. I wish it's a bit longer, because if you want to do cable management properly for your USB hub, then yeah, 1 meter is definitely not enough. The thing about this Orico MH4PU is fairly simple. How you install it is just adjust to whatever width that you want to. And for example, I want to put it on the table. So what I do, adjust to whatever width you want, put it here, and just screw it in. But this thing can also screw onto your desktop monitors. So I have one right here, which I will demonstrate to you. This is from Ant Gaming. So as you can see here, this monitor does not have any USB ports, which it's kind of unfortunate since only higher end monitors have USB ports. So if you got the Orico MH4PU, what you can do is just again open to whatever width you want. So I'll just leave it to somewhere around here. And what I'll do is just put it in here and screw it tightly and you're done. So this thing sits nicely here. Of course, the design is not really that matching since this thing is more towards a aluminium look and everything else is black. But it does serve its purpose well. So as you can see here, I have some USB drive and I can just plug it in and it works. So that's how you can add USB ports to your monitor by just using this very simple accessory from Orico. Once again, the MH4PU. It is priced at only 59 ringgit. The biggest concern I have is the fact that you cannot actually put it to any curved monitors or uneven sort of surface. This one is curved along the, the usual curved monitor type, but I can only screw it to the side right here because this is actually flat. Another thing about this thing is that as you can see from the screw itself, you can only have a certain amount of width, minimum width actually. So if your monitor is way too thin, like that monitor over there, so what I need to do is actually put some pieces of paper to fill in the gap right here so I can screw it into the monitor itself. But well, that's just a small issue, but overall, this accessory is very handy to have and especially necessary for monitors like this that don't actually have a USB port. So for 59 ringgit, the Orico MH4PU is excellent. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos featuring accessories like this, and well, follow us on Facebook and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for this very short and simple video about the Orico MH4PU. Again, for 59 ringgit, you can get it on Shopee right now, and we will see you next time. Bye.